I want to install a rear main seal. This is a 3.8 Dodge Caravan, and trying to put it on like this is really tough because you're going to catch that lip inside there on the side, maybe fold it under or damage the lip of the seal. But I need to get this sucker in there. So what's the best way to do this? Well, Mopar makes a couple of special tools. One of them is this magnetic cone. Sticks onto there like that. Alright, then you can just slide your seal over the outside of that. Easy peasy. And you just kind of line it up so it's flush. And then you've got a second tool, which is this guy. And that goes over the top like that. And then all I have to do is whack it a couple times with the hammer. And it'll go straight in. It'll seat it to where it needs to be at, and you won't damage your seal.